Hey gorgeous souls, we are so thrilled to have you here with us today. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on setting meaningful New Year's resolutions. This isn't just any guide, it's a journey to transform your life. You know, the kind of resolutions that light you up from the inside out and make you feel like you can conquer the world. The ones that give you a sense of purpose and direction. We're not talking about those flimsy, fly-by-night promises we make to ourselves and forget within a week. No, we're aiming for something much more substantial. We're diving deep, my friends. We're going to explore the core of what makes a resolution stick and how to keep that fire burning all year long. Today, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to create goals that are not only achievable, but also motivating and impactful. We'll break it down into manageable steps so you can follow along easily. Get ready to unleash your inner rock star because this year, we're not just setting resolutions. We're creating a life we absolutely love. Imagine the thrill of achieving your dreams and celebrating every milestone. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's do this together and make this year the best one yet. Before we leap into the future, let's take a moment to honor the journey that brought us here. Grab your favorite journal and pen, my friend, because we're going on a little trip down memory lane. Think back over the past year. What were your biggest wins? Those moments that made your heart sing. Now let's get real about the challenges too. What lessons did they teach you about yourself? Remember, every experience, every triumph, and every stumble has shaped you into the incredible person you are today. Okay, gorgeous. Now that we've reflected on the past, it's time to get crystal clear about what we want to create in the future. This is your moment to dream big and envision the life you truly desire. Take a deep breath and let your imagination run wild. Picture yourself living your best life, achieving things you once thought were impossible. And let's be honest, lose weight or make more money just doesn't cut it. These goals are too vague and uninspiring. They lack the passion and excitement that will keep you motivated in the long run. We're going for juicy, specific, and oh-so-delicious goals. Think about what truly excites you, what makes your heart race with anticipation. This is where our trusty friend, the SMART goal method, comes in. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, baby. By breaking down your goals into these categories, you create a clear roadmap to success. Want to rock that bikini by summer? Awesome. Visualize yourself confidently strutting on the beach, feeling fabulous in your own skin. How about losing 10 pounds by June 1st by hitting the gym 3 times a week? Now we're talking. Set a schedule, track your progress, and celebrate every milestone. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. So let's get started and make those dreams a reality. Alright, my love, we don't want to spread ourselves too thin, do we? Trying to tackle a million things at once is a recipe for overwhelm and burnout. And who wants that? Not us. Let's get real about what truly matters most to you right now. Choose 1 to 3 goals that make your soul sing. Maybe it's rocking your health, deepening your relationships, or taking your career to the next level. Remember, you can have it all, just not all at once. Chapter 4. Break goals into smaller steps. Big, audacious goals can feel like climbing Mount Everest, right? But guess what? You don't have to scale the entire mountain in one go. It's all about taking it one step at a time. Imagine standing at the base feeling overwhelmed by the sheer size of it. That's how big goals can feel. Every epic adventure starts with a single step, just one, and then another, and another. Before you know it, you're halfway up the mountain. It's the same with your goals. Instead of letting those big dreams intimidate you, let's break them down into bite-sized, totally doable action steps. Think of each small task as a stepping stone. Each one gets you closer to the summit. Think of it like baking your favorite cake. You wouldn't just throw all the ingredients in a bowl at once, would you? No way. You'd follow the recipe. You wouldn't just throw all the ingredients in a bowl at once, would you? No way. You'd follow the recipe step by step, carefully adding each ingredient in the right order. You follow the recipe step by step until you have a masterpiece. Each step is crucial. Skip one and the cake might not turn out right. Your goals are the same way. Break them down, follow the steps, and stay consistent. Create a plan, my friend, and watch those dreams become your delicious reality. Celebrate each small victory along the way, and before you know it, you'll have achieved something truly amazing. Chapter 5. Track progress regularly. Alright, my darling, let's talk about accountability. Because let's be real, it's easy to get sidetracked when life throws those curveballs our way. That's why we're going to create a system for tracking our progress. Grab your favorite journal, download a fancy app, or dust off that wall calendar. Every time you crush a milestone, big or small, celebrate it. Because every step forward deserves a happy dance, wouldn't you agree? Chapter 6. Stay flexible and adapt. Okay, gorgeous, here's the thing about life, it's full of surprises. And sometimes those surprises require us to adjust our sails. So, if you find yourself needing to tweak your timeline or try a different approach, that's okay. Remember, we're not striving for perfection here, we're going for progress. Be kind to yourself, embrace the detours, and trust that you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Chapter 7. Build support systems. You know what makes this journey even more amazing? Sharing it with people who lift you higher. Surround yourself with a tribe who believes in your dreams, cheers you on, and gently nudges you when you need it most. Tell your best friend about your goals, join a mastermind group, or find an online community that lights you up. Remember, you don't have to do this alone, my friend, we're in this together. Now let's talk about rewards, shall we? Because honey, when you're working hard and making progress, you deserve to celebrate those wins. What lights you up? A relaxing spa day, a weekend getaway, a new pair of shoes? Choose rewards that feel aligned with your goals and bring you joy. Because when you reward yourself for your efforts, you're reinforcing those positive habits and making this whole journey even sweeter. Here's the secret sauce, my friend. Lasting change isn't about willpower, it's about creating habits that become second nature. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire life overnight, focus on building one small habit at a time. Want to eat healthier? Start by swapping out soda for water. Want to move your body more? Commit to a 15-minute walk each day. Remember, small changes, consistently applied, lead to extraordinary results. As we wrap up our journey together, remember this: setting goals isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process of growth, reflection, and adjustment. Schedule regular check-ins with yourself, maybe once a month or once a quarter. How are your goals feeling? Are they still lighting you up, or do they need a little tweaking? Life is a beautiful dance, my friend, and sometimes we need to adjust our steps along the way. By following these steps, you can set resolutions that are actionable, motivating, and achievable for the new year. Remember, you are capable of creating extraordinary change in your life. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never ever give up on your dreams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your resolutions in the comments below. Let's create a ripple effect of positivity and inspiration together.